Number 8. Jason is collecting comic books. He collected 283 comic books the first day, 165 comic books the second day, and 359 comic books the third day. How many comic books did he collect on the first 3 days? Okay? How many comic books did he collect on the first 3 days? Well, 283 on the first day, 165 on the second day, and 359 on the third day. So I know how much he collected on day 1, day 2, and day 3. How many comic books did he collect on the first 3 days? So I know day 1, day 2, and day 3. So let's create a strip diagram. Do I have a total? We do not have a total, but I know I have 3 days. So day 1, day 2, day 3. On day 1, he collected 283. I'm sorry, this lighting is so bad. On day 1, he collected 283. On day 2, he collected 165. And day 3, he collected 359. So I know every single day, but I don't know my total. Total of all 3 days. That's a total of all 3 days. I don't know that answer. That's what we're trying to figure out. But I know day 1, 2, and 3. I know the amounts there. When you're looking for your total, you're going to be adding. So let's add these numbers up. And I'm going to do the break apart method. Well, I'm going to do base 10 blocks, and then I'm going to do break apart method. So for base 10 blocks, I'm going to add 2 of them together first. So I'm going to do 283 plus 165. Here I'm going to do base 10 blocks, and then I'll come back and do the break apart in a minute. So 283, 1, 2, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 3, 1, 2, 3. 165, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When I'm adding up my base 10 blocks, I try to keep them lined up with the correct place value as much as possible. It's not always possible, but sometimes it is, okay? So I'm going to start adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's nothing to regroup in my ones. In my tens, though, I'm pretty sure there's going to be some regrouping. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 100. How many tens do I have left? 10, 20, 30, 40. So I have 4 tens. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4 hundreds. So that's just the amount for day 1 and day 2. Now I need to add in day 3. So for this one, I'm going to do break apart method. So 448 plus 359. $448 breaks up into 400 plus 40 plus 8, and 359 breaks up into 300 plus 50 plus 9. So you can see base 10 blocks and using break apart, you don't have to use one or either, or you can use both, or you can just stick to one. So 9 or 8 plus 9, what is 8 plus 9? 17. I'm going to put my 7 here, and I'm going to carry my 10. Okay? 10 plus 40 is 50. What is 50 plus 50? 100. So I'm going to put a 0 here, and I'm going to carry my 100 here. So 100 plus 400 is 500 plus 300, 800. Good job. So 807. 807. And you would bubble it in. 807. And then 807.